Welcome to the glass bottle factory.
We start with molten glass, glowing hot.
Caramelization.
Air is blown carefully to form the bottle. Each bottle is shaped with precise blowing. Glass is poured into molds for shape. Rotation ensures even bottle thickness. Bottles cool slowly to avoid cracks. Every bottle is inspected for perfection.
Edges are smoothed for a perfect finish. Bottles move forward for labeling. Automated machines add labels precisely.
Rawtory Rawtory.
Finished bottles move along the line.
Bottles are packed carefully for shipping. Packed bottles are transported safely. Stored bottles await delivery worldwide.
That's how glass bottles are made. Every bottle is a piece of art.
Subscribe and explore more amazing factories.